What's up, fam? How y'all doing? Oh, editing. Here. Baby, what park are we in? Taylor Park. And doing another quick, well, not a quick video, guys. I'm losing my content as fast as I gain content type situation. So, oh, look at that bird. Look at the bird there, guys. Oh, wow. Hear that? Look at that bird right there. That's a beautiful bird. Black with the red dots. That's pretty awesome there. Alright, we go walk down the trail a little bit and see if there's a gator here, guys. Girls and kids and well, whoever watched my videos. Check it out. If y'all are watching my videos and you're not liked and subscribed to my channel, one of these little birds are going to come peck your eyes out. No, just joking. I don't know. That thing right there probably will, though. That's, oh, what is the name of that bird? It's a fishing bird. No, sorry guys, it just drawed a blank. He dives in the water. Shit, that bird there swim for probably 20, 25 minutes. I've seen him go down in the middle of the lake, come up right there, I mean, right at my fishing pole, so. You mean the radio? Yeah. There's somebody over there that's playing a radio, or that's the baseball field. No, I think that's just somebody over there playing something really loud. I would think that would be disturbing the peace. Hey, you want to go down that way, or you want to go back up this way, man? I was not trying to get too far away from the car. We can go up here and harass the Jakes. Like I said, guys, it's a little bit longer video. Hopefully a little bit more sturdy. I got y'all in a case. Do not poop on me. Do not want to be pooped on today by any Jakes. Anyway. I might set y'all up over here and let y'all watch me do a pull-up. If I can. I don't even know if I can anymore, guys. I've got old in my younger days. Oh, I'd take y'all down here to the water. Let's see if I can do like a water view. Let me make sure there's no pesky gators down here. Anywhere. I'm gonna try to give them a water view. Y'all check that out. That pretty cool, guys? Okay, I hear you over there. I know I haven't been here in a long time. See if I can get y'all all the way down. Straight enough, though. I think that'd be pretty cool for you guys. Hey, Jake. What up, Jake? What you doing, Bird? You wondering what I did? I didn't take and put nothing down there. Sorry. I wasn't feeding the fish. Don't get mad at me. I didn't do it.
It's all puffing up.
Yeah, he's mad. He's like, he's just leave me food.
Bring nothing today.
That's the problem. Everybody keeps doing it. Oh, look at the little sunfish. There's a little sunfish all in there right there. I wonder if they can see it. I ain't even got my stuff turned up. I'm afraid to touch my phone. I know it's still recording, but... Alright, guys. As long as I can balance, I'm alright. Let's see if I can... Yeah, there's a little bass right there. Doesn't that look like a little bass right there? See if I can get y'all where y'all can see it. I cannot fall off this thing, guys, so. Yeah, that is a little bass. I hope y'all can see him. I'm gonna have to rewatch this video before I post it. Damn, what the hell is that? Oh yeah, check it out, guys. Do you know that that thing is hot with the reflection? I know. I'm being reflected upon right now. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Damn, that is a bass. That's a bass right there. I wish I'd brought my fishing pole. I probably could have caught him. Little bass right there. You gotta have fishing license to fish here? I don't need it. Because I know that I don't have not one fishing license. And so that's just saying that right now I'm not going to be fishing here in any kind of way. Alright, let's see if I can... Yeah, that thing is pretty high. What the hell they make this for? A giant? I guess it's 3 different heights for 3 different sizes of people. Oh, I could do it, but I'm not just going to hurt myself. Well, this is Taylor Park, guys. Anyway, nice area. Up there somewhere on the playground. I think it's on the playground part. You just mean. Okay. You can't even come to the damn park without. I don't think that dog should be down here. I'd have to kill that dog. He jumped on one of them little dogs. And, he killed him. Alright, guys. Bring y'all back in a minute.